guys, welcome back. This is going to be a fun little video. We're just riding this thing. We're just having some fun with it, doing some shakedown passes, making sure nothing's going to be falling off the bike, making sure it's running right. So we're just cruising, got some good clips in it, and this thing sounds fantastic. It's a blast to ride, and hopefully that translates. Hopefully that comes through on camera. But anyway, let's get to the video. Hope you guys enjoy.
Alright, we're going to take this thing around the block because it sounds incredible. And, you know, this is part of the job, right? Should probably turn the fuel on. Okay. Immediately into grass being thrown at this thing. If you guys happen to be looking at the gauge, I still have to calibrate this thing. So far, nothing falling off of it. This thing seems so easy to ride for, like, just kind of out of the box. Shifts like a dream. Brakes a little squeaky in the back, that's okay. Man, this thing runs so good. I must say, I've never had one run this fantastic just straight out of the box. This is a lot of fun. Even lugging it like this, like, that's fifth. And that does really good for lugging it. We'll do another quick rip here, just kind of watch the throttle and see how responsive it is. Kind of from the bottom. There's an industrial park nearby here. You guys have probably seen me ride at a bunch. I'm gonna probably get this thing over there in the next couple days and just keep messing with it. For now, we're gonna head back to the house and maybe calibrate this gauge. Make sure I know what my parameters are reading. Hell yeah. Well, it seems to hold temperature really well. I had it idling for a while and got it up to like 203. Fan kicks on at like 202. Stays on consistently though, which is good. plate is expired like 3 years ago. Ah. This thing just cruises, man. Sport bike. We got some knobbies on it. I mean, that's gotta be 75 on passing people on the highway. As soon as you get moving on this thing, it's really steady on the temperature, which is good. I am thinking about putting some fins like the other CX500, putting some fins down here on the side of this radiator. If it really needs it, you know. Guys, I haven't even looked at the plugs yet. I put in some old ones too. This thing runs fantastic. This is ridiculous. the only thing I'm kind of thinking about right now. Damn. Alright, hit 200 there for like 1 second, and then it just comes right back down. I've been beating on this thing, so that's really good. Alright, I took a DR650 here and did some slalom with the poles. Let's see what this thing can do. Probably not good. Around we go. Little 3 gap. Whoop. Okay, can we get 2? Okay, I don't want to push it. I'll knock one of these bar ends off in a hurry. Let's see, what is it like standing up on this thing? Let's see what that's all about. Obviously we'd need taller bars to be really comfortable for this. Alright, let's see what it does. Okay. Ah. Testing. Alright, let's see if we can go 2-2. That's what I want. Oh yeah, you just gotta get used to it. Okay, 2-2. 2, we're good. Passes the test. Whatever that test is, it passed. And got up to 202 degrees, so not bad. This thing's like right in between like a real like kind of like scrambler feel and then cafe racer. It's just kind of its own thing. Lug it around. This thing is running like a top. I don't know about you guys, I'm in love. Awesome.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I really appreciate you guys checking it out. Had a lot of fun with this one because we're just getting to go ride this thing and enjoy all the hard work we put into this thing. Running fantastic for, again, I know I mentioned it in this video like 100 times, but just kind of like an out-of-the-box tune. I have a 90 pilot in it and a 135 main. No adjustment to the needles and probably like 1.5 turns, between 1.5 and 2 on the mixture screws. I have to confirm that, but the thing's running fantastic. Just really fun to ride. It's been super reliable, super consistent, which is really good. And we're definitely going to have a lot of fun with this thing. So as of now, like tomorrow for me, I'm going to go take this thing down to the upholsterer, to Rich Phillips, who did the seat on the CX500, that blue one that you saw, and a lot of my other bikes. Going to take down to him and start getting that thing upholstered. So you'll probably see this thing in a couple weeks whenever I have it back from that. And it'll be done at that point, which is going to be awesome. I know I keep saying that. Anyway, stay tuned. Check me out on social media. Just Brickhouse Builds across the board. You can see all this stuff beforehand. And yeah, hit up my website if you want to place an order for like a hat, sticker pack, whatever. Anything's greatly appreciated. So just feel free there. And then, yeah, subscribe if you haven't. I want to build this channel. I want to keep bringing you guys content every day. Maybe not every day, but as often as I can. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Hope to see you in the next video.